Civil engineering has always been more than constructing roads, bridges, or water systems. At its heart, it is about solving human challenges, connecting communities, and enabling growth. Yet as the world becomes more complex and interconnected, the challenges facing civil engineers are evolving faster than ever. Tight deadlines, rising costs, and growing demands for sustainable infrastructure are forcing the profession to think differently. Innovation is no longer something to admire from afar. It is the key to survival and leadership in the industry. What do you think? Are civil engineers ready to fully embrace global innovation? Share your perspective in the comments because this is a conversation the whole profession needs to have. Innovation today comes in many forms. On one hand, technologies like building information modeling, artificial intelligence, and automation are transforming how projects are planned and executed. These tools reduce errors, streamline workflows, and bring levels of precision that were once unimaginable. On the other hand, global collaboration models are rewriting the way firms manage projects. By connecting with talent and expertise across borders, firms can scale up during peak workloads, reduce costs, and even take advantage of time zone differences to accelerate progress. Ignoring these shifts comes with a price. Without embracing global innovation, many firms are stuck in endless cycles of hiring and losing talent, struggling with inconsistent quality, and failing to meet client expectations. By contrast, those who choose innovation are building stronger foundations for long-term growth. AXA Engineers is one example of how this mindset translates into practice. Internationally recognized by Autodesk as a global success story, as a trusted partner in sustainable growth, AXA Engineers has shown that innovation is not simply about adopting software. It is about creating systems that guarantee quality, stability, and trust. Every project is supported by a 3-layer quality assurance process combined with a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring accuracy and reliability from start to finish. The global talent crisis also underscores why innovation must focus on people as much as technology. Recruiting and retaining skilled engineers is increasingly difficult, yet stable teams are critical to delivering consistent results. AXA Engineers, honored as the best workplace in Vietnam, demonstrates how a positive work environment can create long-term retention. With more than 80 engineers and CAD experts trained in international standards, the company provides reliable continuity that reduces the risks of disruption while enhancing technical capability. Managing workload fluctuations is another area where global innovation proves essential. Projects in civil engineering rarely follow a steady rhythm. There are periods of intense demand, followed by quieter stretches. AXA Engineers helps clients navigate this challenge through a flexible dual-shift model that leverages time zone advantages. Work continues overnight, allowing projects to advance even while clients are off the clock. This approach not only shortens timelines but also turns unpredictability into opportunity. Innovation in civil engineering also speaks to a broader mission. Clients today expect more than drawings and calculations. They expect partners who contribute to communities and sustainability. AXA Engineers integrates values of professionalism, collaboration, and responsibility into its culture, showing that global innovation can be both technical and ethical. The impact extends beyond efficiency, creating value for clients, engineers, and society. The future of civil engineering will not be defined by those who cling to outdated methods, but by those who embrace change with confidence. The profession is entering an era where borders matter less, and knowledge, technology, and talent flow freely. Firms that open themselves to global innovation will not only meet today's demands but also shape the infrastructure of tomorrow. So here's a question for you. How do you see global innovation transforming the way civil engineers work in the next decade? Add your thoughts below. I'd love to hear what you think. Global innovation is no longer just a possibility. It is the path forward. Civil engineers who embrace it will deliver projects that are efficient, reliable, and sustainable, while leaving a legacy of progress for future generations. AXA Engineers stands as a clear example of how embracing new ideas, advanced technology, and strong cultural values can position a firm as both a trusted partner and a global leader. The future belongs to those who are ready to innovate, and the time to act is now.